Alright, welcome back, chat. So today's video we are reviewing the Meta glasses. I just picked them up yesterday, and real quick, take a peek at the haircut. Shout out to Amari, barber. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here, somewhere here in the video, para que you can check out his work. He just opened up his new barbershop también, so show him some love, and yeah, back to the video. So I just picked up these Ray-Bans ayer, right? These Ray-Bans, and well, you know, for the price of $400 with tax included, I think it should come with the charger. Just first thing off the gate, right? Or off the package. And yeah, it didn't come with the charger, but it is what it is. I'm liking the quality. You know, the little video I did, a little picture I took just to kind of test it out, is looking really nice. The only thing that I'm noticing and I'm realizing también is that when you're recording, it shows a blinking light on the camera, on the camera. It shows like a blinking light, you know, letting anyone else that is looking at you that it's recording. And so there's a way to cover it. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm gonna just go to Walmart and buy what I need to buy: some electrical tape and a little punch holder. So once I do that, we're gonna lock in on some videos, and I'll show you guys the results on how the videos look and the POV on how I look with the Meta glasses on, para que sepan cómo se mira with. Well, not with the blinking light, because I'm gonna cover it, but you know, you can Google that. I'm gonna make my way over with the homie Gene as well. We're gonna go hit the gym, so you know, we gotta lock in. I mean, at this point, bro, it's already January 31st, and man, if we're not locked in at this point, bro, just maybe next year, you know. But on with the video. All right, guys. So we just got done working out here with the homie. So I'm gonna review these Meta glasses real quick. I wasn't gonna show you guys the blinking light, but I mean, since I'm here, I'll just go ahead and do it. I might demonstrate some of the videos that I recorded, or I might show you guys some of the videos I recorded. Like when I was at the gas station here working out at the gym. So let's go ahead and take off this little piece of tape. Bro, that C4 got me temblando still, bro. Mira, ¿me voy a poner?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the
Little test here. Right away, it kind of makes it like a little sound. I'm gonna go ahead and press and record, and it's gonna show a little light right here. So this indicates that it's recording, and I can stop it, and it'll go directly to my phone wirelessly within seconds. Depending on how long the video is, you know, it might take a few minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna put the little black piece of tape on it right here on the. If you want to zoom in right here, cameraman. So what I'm doing here, I'm covering. It might look like a camera, but this is not a camera. This is actually like a little light bulb. We're gonna cover this up with some tape. I'm like shaky right now because of that C4, I think. But anyways, it's covered up now. It's not perfect, but this is gonna, you know, block the light. This is the camera right here. So now let's go ahead and start it up. It turns on as soon as you put them on, right? And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this piece of cloth, and we're gonna. So in order for it to work, because it won't work like this, it's gonna bring up a message. It tells me. Yeah, so it's telling me that's blocked basically. So it wants me to remove the little. My bad, my music started playing. It wants me to remove the little piece of tape, right? Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and block this camera here. For some reason, I think it's the sensors and all that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and block it, and I'm gonna press record. Okay, I might have done it too soon. No, it's fine. It didn't give me the error message. So it's recording right now, and you wouldn't know, right? So it might seem like annoying, but honestly, it doesn't bother me. I mean, I feel like it would bother people if that little blinking light was showing, you feel me? But I'm gonna show you guys the videos now after this, or I might mix it in. I haven't decided yet, but let me know what you guys think about the footage, and we'll be back with more videos. Peace out.
No, dude.
3 times what?
No, I'm good. 3 times?
So it's stronger?
Yeah.
I mean, why not? I'll try it. Damn. Ultimate energy. 300 milligrams of caffeine. That's not. That's a little bit more than a serving. Oh, thanks.
Let's see. I'll take snow cone.
Why like this one? Not bad. That's all. 1, 2. All this thing's locked in.